Early stopping. Early stopping in machine learning. AI intermediate level. Introduction. Training machine learning and deep learning models usually involves running the training process for many iterations, epochs. During training, the model gradually learns patterns from the training dataset. However, if training continues for too long, the model may start to memorize the training data instead of learning general patterns. This problem is known as overfitting. To prevent overfitting and improve generalization, machine learning uses a technique called early stopping. Early stopping is widely used in neural networks, deep learning models, convolutional neural networks, CNN, natural language processing models, time series prediction models. Understanding early stopping is important for building efficient and well-generalized machine learning models. What is early stopping? Early stopping is a regularization technique that stops model training when performance on validation data stops improving. In simple terms, early stopping equals stopping training at the right time before the model begins to overfit. Example concept. Training starts. Down pointing arrow. Validation accuracy improves. Down pointing arrow. Validation accuracy stops improving. Down pointing arrow. Stop training early. This prevents the model from learning unnecessary noise. Why early stopping is important. During training, two types of errors are monitored. Training error. Validation error. Example concept. Training error down pointing arrow decreases. Validation error down pointing arrow decreases. Later, validation error up pointing arrow increases. When validation error starts increasing, the model is overfitting. Early stopping detects this moment and stops training. Example concept. Best model means saved before overfitting begins. Training curve explanation. The training process can be visualized using learning curves. Example concept. Epochs means training loss decreases. Epochs means validation loss decreases. Epochs means validation loss increases. The ideal stopping point is when validation loss reaches its minimum. How early stopping works. Early stopping monitors a metric such as validation loss, validation accuracy, workflow, train model, down pointing arrow, evaluate validation performance, down pointing arrow, check improvement, down pointing arrow. If performance stops improving, down pointing arrow, stop training. This ensures training stops at the optimal point. Patience parameter. Early stopping often includes a parameter called patience. Patience defines how many epochs the algorithm should wait before stopping. Example. Patience equals 5, meaning, if validation performance does not improve for 5 epochs means stop training. This prevents stopping too early due to random fluctuations. Early stopping workflow. The full training workflow using early stopping looks like this. Initialize model. Down pointing arrow. Train model for 1 epoch. Down pointing arrow. Evaluate validation performance. Down pointing arrow. Save best model. Down pointing arrow. Repeat training. Down pointing arrow. Stop if no improvement. This ensures the model used is the best performing version. Example training scenario. Imagine a model trained for 50 epochs. Example concept. Epoch 1 to 10 means model learning. Epoch 11 to 20 means performance improves. Epoch 21 to 30 means validation performance stops improving. Epoch 31 plus means overfitting begins. With early stopping, training stops at epoch 22. This preserves the best model. Example Python code. Keras. Early stopping can easily be implemented using Keras. Example code. From TensorFlow. Keras. Callbacks import early stopping. Early underscore stop equals early stopping. Monitor equals val underscore loss. Patience equals 5. Restore underscore best underscore waits equals true. Training with early stopping. Model.fit. X_train. Y_train. Validation_data equals X_val. Y_val. Epochs equals 100. Callbacks equals early_stop. This automatically stops training when validation loss stops improving. Advantages of early stopping. Early stopping provides several benefits. Advantages include: prevents overfitting, reduces training time, improves generalization, automatically selects best model. Example concept. Early stopping means optimal model means better predictions. Limitations of early stopping. Despite its usefulness, early stopping has some limitations. Challenges include: selecting appropriate patience value. Noisy validation metrics can trigger early stopping. Requires separate validation dataset. Example concept. Validation noise means training may stop too early. Careful parameter tuning improves performance. Early stopping versus other regularization techniques. Early stopping is often used together with other techniques. Common combinations include: dropout, L1 per liter 2 regularization, batch normalization. Example concept. Multiple regularization techniques means improved model stability. Combining techniques leads to more robust deep learning models. Real-world applications. Early stopping is widely used in many AI systems. Computer vision. Stopping training of CNN models at optimal performance. Natural language processing. Training language models without overfitting. Speech recognition. Improving model generalization. Financial forecasting. Preventing overfitting in predictive models. Healthcare AI. Training diagnostic models with stable performance. Concepts learned from early stopping. Understanding early stopping helps learners understand. Checkmark how machine learning models avoid overfitting. Checkmark how validation data guides training. Checkmark how training efficiency improves. Checkmark how optimal model performance is achieved. Checkmark how deep learning training is monitored. Early stopping is one of the simplest and most effective regularization techniques in machine learning. Simple definition. Early stopping. A regularization technique that stops model training when validation performance stops improving. Final summary. Early stopping is an important technique used to prevent overfitting in machine learning and deep learning models. By monitoring validation performance during training, early stopping halts training when the model stops improving. This ensures the model retains the best performing parameters and avoids memorizing training data. Because it improves both training efficiency and generalization, early stopping is widely used in modern deep learning workflows. Understanding early stopping is essential for building efficient and reliable AI models.